Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix an encoder error occurred while recording in OBS Studio. So in order to fix this error message, the first thing you need to do is just head over to OBS Studio and then click on File and then Settings. Then you need to select Output from the left hand side and then you need to scroll down to the recording section. Now for the video encoder, if you currently have this set to hardware, then you can try changing it to software X264. If you already have it set to software X264, then you can try changing it to hardware H.264 like so. You also want to make sure the recording format is set to MP4, and then you can save these settings and check to see if that's now fixed the issue. If that's still not working, another thing you can try is heading over to the Start menu and just searching for Device Manager. From the Device Manager window, click on Display Adapters and expand this dropdown, and you need to locate your GPU from this list. Once you've located your graphics card, just right-click on it like so and select Disable Device, and then you'll get this confirmation message pop up. Just press Yes, and then what you can do is try re-enabling it just by right-clicking and selecting Enable Device. Once again, you can try checking to see if that solved your issue. Otherwise, the last thing you need to do is head over to your Start menu and search for Settings and click on the Settings window. From the left-hand side, select System, click on Display, and then scroll down and select Graphics. Now from here, you need to add OBS Studio to this list of applications, and you could do that by pressing the Browse button. Click on your C drive from the left-hand side, and you need to find where OBS Studio is saved to. Now for most of you, it's going to be in your program files. Scroll down and select OBS Studio folder. Double click on bin 64-bit, and then you'll have this application obs64.exe. Double click on this, and once you've added it to this list of applications, we can scroll down and select OBS Studio. Click on Options, and as you can see, we have two different options, both power saving and high performance. Now on my computer, each one of these uses a different GPU. So you can see for high performance, it uses my NVIDIA graphics card, and for power saving, it uses my AMD card. So what you can do is just try switching between the two of these and seeing if any of these work for you. So because I'm already on high performance, I'm going to try changing it over to power saving and hit save. And then you can head back over to OBS Studio and check if that's now resolved the error code. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.